Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Catherine Claudette Dalumbi Felisarte, 26 years old from Philippines. I have one son, aged 4 years old. I have work experience as a housemaid in Philippines. 3 years from March 2021 to March 2024. I serve one couple with one daughter, aged 4 years old. My duties are cooking, ironing, washing the clothes, washing dishes, gardening, marketing, and sometimes car washing and taking care of their 4 years old daughter. I want to work in Hong Kong because a good salary, friendly people, and most especially to support my family. To my future employer, if you give me a chance to work with you, I assure I can manage the general household chores and running errands, and I can take care infant, toddler, or elderly, and I can sing nursery song. I will promise I work hard with my special skills like to be reliable and trustworthy. I am willing to be trained a new skills or knowledge and always attempt to follow every rules and instruction that you give me. I will treat you as my own family. I am hardworking, honest, loyal, and trustworthy person. That's all for now. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Take care.